Today, I'll talk about changes made on ClusterStack mobile and why design is needed. Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Lucas and welcome to the multi-billion-dollar studio, the one you might never heard about. Today we talk about the app side of ClusterStack and what features we have delivered this week. But wait, I have to remind you what is ClusterStack. ClusterStack is a one-stop shop application for immigrants, a place where we help those who want to move a country and as well recruiters, companies and service providers who want to provide offerings for these foreigners. We shipped a new version to the Appstore and Google Play. The version is the version 1134 and we name it after one of the best movies out there, Sharknado. So what do we have in the Sharknado version? We have improvements on design and we have fixes on push notifications. I will talk about push notifications first. So the users, they have the ability to disable push notifications from ClusterStack using our app. You don't need to go to Android or iOS settings, you just need to go to the settings on the app and you can select there which notifications you want to receive or not. The problem was when the users were going into the notification screen and selecting to disable or enable a notification, the app were crashing. So I dig a little bit and I found what was the error and we fixed it. Now it's going to be on this new version. And as well, the push notification wasn't properly being held on the backend. We made this improvement in the backend, we shipped these changes and it's already there. So when the new version of the app will be live on App Store and Play Store, you're going to be able to change your settings on ClusterStack app and you'll be fine, you'll be okay. And now we're going to talk about the designs. A few months ago, I started designing a page to use into the ClusterStack app called eMessage view. So the eMessages were to be designed working as the Slack workflow. So it would be a screen where you have the drawer, where you open and close the drawer and select the user you want to talk and receive messages and notifications and everything inside this view of the app. The problem is the way that I designed it was kind of isolated and wasn't fit for the purpose to use within ClusterStack app. I delivered the first version, the first interaction of the in-app message, and soon when I did that, I started seeing like some feedbacks, people saying that it was horrible, and actually definitely was horrible. So I sit down and I redesign, so I create a new design for the eMessage view. And I'm gonna show you guys here on my screen. So let's go here to the screen. First of all, the eMessage stays under the profile tab of the app. So we have the Explore, we have the Social, and we have the Profile. So on the profile, you can go to Settings and oh yeah, this is the notifications of the app. We can do push notifications now and you'll be updating there. And on the message part, we have the new redesigned eMessage views, where you have a tab for chats and you have a chat for message. Here you can just use your finger, but here I'm using it. Just use your finger to scroll. I don't know why the mouse is not scrolling, but it's okay. And you select the person you want to talk, and you can select a new message, new. And then when you send the message will reflect it here, and there you have it. You have the new redesigned eMessage view. That's why I believe that every development company needs to have a designer. Because first of all, a designer will increase consistency on app development, make sure that the application works the way that it was thought and in the right flow. And secondly, we increase like the whole scope of the application, where from that we design the components and develop them. Screens that you're developing, that you're designing, they would work with the flow of the application. It wouldn't be hard, well, not so horrible. And sometimes I need like develop these new features, and I don't have a designer, I don't have budget for a designer. And even if I have references and the way that I think how the app would work, for example, on this e-message app, I was thinking to work like a Slack, it doesn't work properly. And yeah, that's it. The new version of the app will be available soon, as long as Apple approves the app. And probably will be this Friday. If it's not this Friday, it will be available Monday or Tuesday. I hope they will deliver this soon. And the browser version of the app, which I call Portal, is online. And now I'm testing this version with my stakeholders. And after we go through this phase of testing, in 1 week or two, we might deliver this for everyone. So stay tuned to look at it. But the portal actually is for recruiters and companies. So if you're not a recruiter, more a user, I recommend you just to use the app. You're not going to be able to use the portal yet, but we will make it available for users later, I think like in a month or so. And I'm going to leave the links of ClusterStack on the description and with all my social media links. And if you like this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and as always, see you on the next one.